In this video, I will show you how to edit a face in Photoshop. There are many ways to edit faces in Photoshop, and in this example, I will teach you the fastest way to clean a face. First, duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl+J. Then invert the layer by holding Ctrl+I. Change the blend mode from normal to vivid light. Go to Filter, then in the drop-down menu, choose Others and select High Pass. Increase the radius until the blemishes disappear. Again, go to Filter, then Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius gradually. Now create a layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Select the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is white and the background color is black. Now start painting. And this is one way to edit faces in Photoshop. Thank you for watching.